Some of these foods might shock you. Fermented raw, even controversial. But in Indonesia, they're everyday meals. This is Storyscape Indonesia. Indonesia is home to more than 17,000 islands and one of the most diverse food cultures in the world. But beyond the famous dishes, there's another side of Indonesian cuisine. Foods that are considered unusual, even extreme, to outsiders, yet deeply rooted in tradition. Fermentation is a big part of Indonesian cuisine. One example is Tempoyak, made from fermented durian. The smell is strong, the taste even stronger. For some, it's overwhelming, but for locals, it's a delicacy. In some regions, insects are not unusual. They are food, like Satay alat Sago from Papua. Rich in protein and surprisingly popular. What may seem extreme is simply part of daily life. Some Indonesian dishes are served raw or barely cooked, like lawar from Bali, a mix of meat, spices, and sometimes fresh blood. To outsiders, it may seem shocking, but culturally, it holds deep meaning. These foods are not made to shock. They exist because of history, geography, and survival. What seems weird is often deeply meaningful, a reflection of identity. In a globalized world, food is often standardized. But in Indonesia, diversity remains. And sometimes, the strangest dishes tell the richest stories. Maybe weird is just a matter of perspective. And maybe every culture tastes the world differently. If you want to explore more untold stories, subscribe to Storyscape Indonesia, because every flavor has a story.